Alright guys, today we're going to shoot the para. See how she does. We're using the standard Federal Champion stuff. Got it loaded here, including the one in here. I have a total of 108 rounds we're going to put through it. Going to use some more of the clays on the little bird target. And we're also going to use my favorite V-Tags. See how she does. Alright, it's shooting to the left. I brought this up to the gunsmith when I picked it up. You see the blade is all the way over this side. He said it might have been set at the factory. I should give it a test fire first. So I just got to aim a little to the right. So let's get our next clip in. That was the Paramag. Worked nicely. This time we'll see how it works with the Chip McCormick 10 rounder. Flawless. Well, it worked so good it took the whole target down. Very nice. Let's try a little rapid fire on this one. I like this gun. I like it better when I get the sights fixed though. Well, here's the clay target. Guess I should use something a little bit better than a big thumbtack all in it. And our main target, well, if that was an intruder, I think you could say he's dead. So, para-ordnance, GI expert. I recommend this gun. This is nice. Later.